Thank you for joining the Mickey Bunch for this edition of our Disney Treasures Funko subscription box unboxing. Kennedy, she loves all the Funko Pops, and so this is really her thing. And of course, Jalen is super excited, and she could barely do this video for him wanting to help her. Thank you so much. I think this is a really awesome box. So join us as we break it open for you.
Hi, this is the Mickey Bunch. We're doing our October Disney Funko Box open. So this is the Haunted Forest, October. I'm just going to open it right now. Okay, so every box you get a pin and a patch. So this month we got a Jafar pin. See, Jafar? Close.
Nice.
Awesome Jafar pin. I love Jafar. And then the patch we got is the mirror on the wall. Funko style. That is super cool. So I'm assuming this is like a villains type of box. Super cool. Halloween. Okay, this is awesome. Zero Funko style bag. So I'm assuming you can go out and trick or treat with this really awesomely cute bag. So much fun, so adorable. Zero. And then we got our little flyer thingy, like we always do. And then, okay, this is the hugest Funko Pop I have ever seen. Super cool, Maleficent as the dragon from Sleeping Beauty. Awesome. So cool. And then we got a Funko Dwarves, Cruella de Vil. Telling you, villains box. So cool. So cool. And then the last item, in like every box, they give you this tin box basically. And normally they have like scenes from a movie or a ride or like a land. So there was like a Toy Story one. First one was Pirates, all different scenes from the ride. So this one is Haunted Mansion, Hitchhiking Ghosts. We'll have close-ups at the end just so you can see everything. What's really cute is this on the top, there's the hat box. Super cool. Let's see who we got. Oh, so cute. So cute. We got the Hatbox Ghost. So cool. So that is all in this box. Thank you for watching. We will have close-ups of all of the items at the end. Please like, or hope you don't dislike, our video. Comment what you want to see from us, what you enjoy, what we do. So yeah, see you in 2 months. Bye.
Thank you again. Here are some close-ups. That really great Jafar pin is awesome. We at the Mickey Bunch, we love our pins, and we love that they include one in every Disney Treasures box. And the patches, they're amazing. So when we get all the patches at the end, we're going to do a DIY with them. So look forward to that. I think it's really great they included the trick-or-treat bag. So fun, so cute. But really the star of the show of this Disney Treasures box was Maleficent. This is an awesome Funko Pop. Kennedy was so excited to add it to our collection, and we love it. I thought it was kind of funny that there's a Cruella de Vil in the Dwarves edition, and I mean, she's not usually cute, but how cute is she? The tins are always fantastic. I think that's my personal favorite of each box, and there's just that hidden treasure in there, but I have a huge love for Haunted Mansion. The Hitchhiking Ghosts are just about everything amazing. Gracie Manor, the Hatbox guy, amazing. So I think this was definitely for the Mickey Bunch. 2 thumbs up. I think the Disney Treasures Funko subscription box is definitely a value, and they put such neat special items in it that it is truly fun to open. I wish they came every month and not every other month. But thank you so much for watching the Mickey Bunch. Please let us know what you liked about our videos and what other videos you would like to see. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And we look forward to seeing you on the next Mickey Bunch video. Have a very blessed and magical